In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a QR code for a Google Drive link, step by step. To organize your files, click the New button, choose New Folder, and enter a name for it. Then, click Create to add the new folder to your drive. Next, click the Share button to manage access. Change the setting from Restricted to Anyone with the link, making the folder or file accessible for sharing with anyone. Click Link Copy, and then click Done to save your sharing changes and finish setting up the link. Now, go to New tab and search the QR code generator, then link to open a free QR code generator site. Choose the URL or link option, then paste your Google Drive link into the input field to get it ready for QR code creation. Click Customize and download QR to generate your QR code and access customization options. And select your QR size and format. Download the finished QR code to your computer so you can use it wherever you need. Drag your downloaded file to a folder or location of your choice to keep it organized. You've learned how to create a QR code for your Google Drive link. See you next time.